In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Google Appointment Schedule with Relevance AI. This integration will streamline your scheduling process, allowing you to automate tasks and focus on what really matters. Let's dive right in and see how you can set this up efficiently. First, you'll need a Zapier account if you don't already have one. Zapier is a powerful tool that connects your apps and automates workflows seamlessly. You can create an account on Zapier with just a few clicks. Once you're in, it's time to kick off our automation by creating a new Zap. In Zapier, a Zap is simply an automated workflow between two or more apps. For this integration, you will want Google Calendar as your trigger app. This means Google Calendar will initiate your workflow whenever certain conditions are met. Next, you need to select a trigger event within Google Calendar. This could be something like new event created or event updated. This selection determines what action will start your workflow. Imagine getting a notification every time a meeting is scheduled or updated. That's the kind of efficiency we're aiming for here. Now, let's connect your Google Calendar account to Zapier. Authentication is crucial for security and to ensure that Zapier can access your calendar information safely. Follow the prompts to sign in to your Google account and grant Zapier the necessary permissions. Once connected, Zapier will be able to monitor your specified calendar for the trigger events you've selected. Moving on to setting up the action in Relevance AI, choose Relevance AI as your action app and decide on the desired action. Actions might include sending a message to an AI agent, updating datasets, or any other task supported by Relevance AI that suits your workflow needs. Configuring this action properly ensures that once something happens in your Google Calendar, Relevance AI knows exactly what to do next. The final step involves testing and activating your Zap. Testing is a vital part of the setup process. It allows you to verify that all components of your workflow are working correctly. By running a test, you can ensure that the trigger is recognized and that the action is executed properly. If any adjustments are needed, this is the moment to make them. Once you are satisfied with the test results, it's time to activate your Zap and watch your workflow automation spring to life. And there you have it. With your Zap activated, you're now leveraging the power of automation to manage your appointments more effectively. The integration between Google Calendar and Relevance AI can save you time and reduce errors, making your scheduling process more efficient and less stressful. Remember, you can further customize and refine your Zaps as your needs evolve. Enjoy this newfound productivity boost and make the most out of your automated scheduling.